breakfast is the most exciting time of the day. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So let's make an amazing, quick and healthy breakfast. So come along. We'll start off by making an oats savory pancake or an oats chila, which is very healthy and a great option for people who are in weight loss journey. Then we'll be having some watermelon cut in triangles and a salad of pomegranate and grapes. It's very refreshing and healthy. So let's start with the oats pancake. Here I've taken 2 cups of oats, 1 small grated carrot, some black pepper, 1 green chili. You can also use chili flakes if you want. Here I have an egg, half a tomato chopped, half an onion chopped, and some parsley or coriander. Grind the oats to a fine powder in a blender. To this add half a teaspoon of salt and whisk it nicely so that the ingredients mix up well. Add some black pepper to your taste. Mix it well again. And we're adding some water. Mix, mix, mix. So here we are keeping the consistency a little thick now. I'll tell you why we're doing this. So let's mix it through well, making sure that there are no lumps. See how vigorously I'm whisking? This is how it should be done to ensure no lumps. So now we'll cover this up and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. By that time, we'll cut some watermelon. These are fresh watermelons. I've cut them in triangles so that it looks aesthetic, as you say. So here I'm taking a pomegranate. I'm showing you a very easy way to cut a pomegranate. First, take a bowl of water, which is very important. This will help in protecting your hands from getting dark. So here I'm cutting some slits into the pomegranate. Ideally you should do at least 4 of these gashes. Then you see how easily it opens up like a flower. See? Now you can just stretch up, put the pomegranate inside the water and start peeling it. And we're done. So onto this I'll be adding some grapes. So these are fresh grapes that I'm adding. It's very important to incorporate fruits in our breakfast. So here I'm washing them a little, although they are washed and cleaned earlier as well. Some chaat masala for flavor. You can skip that if you want. And some peppercorn. These are freshly ground peppercorns. Mix, mix, mix. And we can keep it aside. Now on to our mixture of oats. Let's see how it is doing. As you could see, our oats has completely soaked up the water that we have added earlier. Now we'll take the consistency to a little lighter form. Again, it depends. If you want to have those thick layers of pancakes, you can, by all means. We just like it a little lighter, like in the consistency of a dosa batter maybe. So here I'm adding all the ingredients. I'm adding a little more of the spiciness with the peppercorns. So the carrot goes in and some coriander. Mix, mix, mix. You just need to make sure all the vegetables are mixed well into the mixture. And 1 egg. This is optional. We just like our proteins to be incorporated in our breakfast, so I've added an egg and we mix it through. Add the pan on high heat. Here I'm sprinkling some water to make it a little non-stick cookware kind of, so that the pancakes don't stick to the pan. You can see those small bubbles forming. And the pan is really hot. You can see this. Here I'm adding some oil and spreading it across the pan. See, my pan is really hot. Here is our mixture and we start pouring. So the idea is to pour the mixture across the edges, and also depends on how big or how small you want your chilas to be. We just like big paratha size. These are chilas. So I'm pouring the mixture by the sides as well to cover the entire pan. Here we go. Remember, our heat is on high at this time, and I'm cleaning what all oil that was splattered across the stove. So yeah, as I was saying, the heat is in high, so we'll keep it like this for around 2 minutes. We'll cook it for high heat. You can also check by the sides if they are starting to get a bit crispier by the side. Then we put a lid on and we'll sim the gas to medium to low and keep it for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we just flip across. See how crispy that is? I'm just pushing it across the sides like we make parathas. It's exactly the same. We pop the lid on again and let it sit for 3 minutes now, because earlier we've kept it for 7 minutes, so it has been cooked almost 60%. So yeah, here I'm checking the crispiness. If you're not health conscious, you can add some butter also at this point. We're flipping it again. So our pancake is ready. So here I am clipping it in the shape of a dosa, so that it's easier for me to fit it in the plate. Voila! Here is our crunchy salad. You can pour as much or as little as you want for each serving. And what's left? Yeah, some garnish. We're garnishing it with some coriander, parsley. So yeah, that's the dish. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.